Musamseleku was very angry to Makhumalo that Makhumalo denied to have access of the cars. Omoda company want to give Musamseleku some of the cars of his wives. Makhumalo denied to sign and says she can't sign. Makhumalo is the brand ambassador of Omoda company, so they can't have an access without Makhumalo. Makhumalo knows that Musamseleku count Makwela, and Makhumalo doesn't want Makwela to have a car comes from her own company because it's the one who is the brand ambassador. Musamseleku and his wives are benefiting through Makhumalo. So Musamseleku was very angry and he was talking with Mangwabe that Makhumalo now she is crossing the line. This is my property. Imagine, guys, he says this is his property now, the Omoda company, what. Musamseleku was very angry, and Musamseleku like to gossip about a person. That person is not around. He can talk. We want to talk about that person. He want to say about that person. Mangwabe knows Musamseleku. That's why Mangwabe didn't respond to Musamseleku, because when it comes with Mangwabe knows that Musamseleku, when he is with Makhumalo, he can gossip about Mangwabe. He can talk bad things about Mangwabe. When he is with Mangwabe, he can say bad things about Makhumalo. So that's why Mangwabe say, you don't know Makhumalo is the brand ambassador of Omoda. You know that even Musamseleku was at Makhumalo's house. We saw him at last episodes. He is with Makhumalo. Musamseleku only he asked the Makhumalo is, I don't know you are the brand ambassador of Omoda company, or you have got a car, Omoda gives you a car. Why he didn't ask about those cars? Musamseleku was very angry to Mangwabe that Makhumalo doesn't want to sign, denied to sign. Musamseleku didn't ask Makhumalo about those cars because he knows that Makhumalo can respond to him that you want to benefit on your hardworking, because Omoda company thinks that Musamseleku and Makhumalo are husband and wife. They work with each other, but they don't know those people. They don't understand that. That's why Omoda company decide to give them 5 cars or 4 cars, but Makhumalo, she was already have got her own car. So Makhumalo took her own car, Omoda company. She didn't sign for Musamseleku's wives. Guys, Makhumalo did the right thing. If she didn't sign for all those wives, maybe Musamseleku took a 1 car, but Makhumalo have got her own car. Guys, you know that Musamseleku want his wives to benefit on Makhumalo's sweat. What I saw, he wants his wives to benefit on Makhumalo's sweat. Those wives are queens, especially Macele. Macele is a queen. She can benefit. Makhumalo, she is up and down advertising Omoda. Only the thing they can do is to benefit. After that, they don't like her at all. So Makhumalo, what she did was right, guys. And Musamseleku, the way he was talking with Mangwabe, it's not the way he was talking with Makhumalo, because he knows that sometimes you say it's your property. Why he can't say it again to Makhumalo that why are you denied to sign what this is my property? He can say it. He knows that, sometimes Musamseleku, you want to say bad things about that person when that person is not around. But he can't say now about Makhumalo that to Makhumalo direct that I want you to sign to we have got an access on those cars because Omoda decided to give us some of the cars. Musamseleku didn't ask some of the question again. Only he asked to Makhumalo is that I don't know Omoda sponsor you with a car. Is that what he said? Makhumalo signed to have her own car, not for other wives, because Makhumalo says a man must. He have to work for his wives. Not, Makhumalo saw that Musamseleku was using her all the time, and he wants his wives to benefit. He doesn't love Makhumalo. At the other side, he want to use her. Like, sometimes it's not good. So Makhumalo signed. Makhumalo didn't sign for other wives' cars. She signed for her own car and took her own Omoda car. Maybe now they have got those cars, but maybe we saw it on season 10. But Makhumalo, she was signed for her own car only.